So Alexis, what did we learn in court today about the almost 17-year-old victim and the 3 murder suspects from Talbot County?
Well, Jason, an investigator with the Columbus Police Department, took the stand today and says at least 2 firearms were used in the shooting death of 16-year-old Darius Bryant. The medical examiner also took the stand and says he was shot in a major artery, and because of that, that may have caused him to die within minutes after being shot. A second day of testimony is complete in the trial of 3 defendants charged in the death of 16-year-old Darius Bryant. Prosecutors say the Manchester student athlete was shot and killed on his prom night in April 2024 near Macon Road, Lakeshore Road, and Crystal Valley Drive in Columbus. 3 Talbot County defendants are charged with his murder: Samaje Copeland, Zion Horton, and Jaquan Mahone. Corporal Vaughn Maxwell with Columbus Police told jurors he laid down 15 evidence markers at the scene and believes an AK-47 style rifle and a 9mm pistol were fired that night based on bullets and shell casings found on the road. Defense attorneys then pressed Corporal Maxwell, asking how much he can really say about when the gunfire happened.
When you testified earlier that you could not say when shots were fired, is that true or is that not true? If you want to change what you testified earlier, that's fine.
No, what I'm saying is there's not a timestamp on a spent casing. I don't know exactly when that casing was ejected from that firearm and they're in the scene. Sir, what I'll say is I get dispatched to a shooting.
The medical examiner also taking the stand, saying Bryant's cause of death was a gunshot wound to the pelvis.
Because of the blood loss, you have an estimate as to how long it took for Mr. Bryant to die as a result of gunshot wound.
I could never be certain, but it would be on the order of seconds to minutes.
Now, Jason, prosecutors believe they'll be done presenting evidence by next Friday. Live in Columbus, Alexis Thornton, WTVM News Leader 9.
Yeah, much more testimony and evidence going to come in this murder trial next week. All right, thank you, Alexis.